Good morning, good morning, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. The observant viewer is gonna note that the ski box is gone, but it's not gone forever, so don't worry, don't fret. Last week this week, on Monday, on Tuesday, no, it would have been yesterday, it would have been Thursday. On Thursday, I dropped off the ski box at Life Motorsport, and that's because Ski Box Nation, we're growing and we're growing quick. Guys, join the squad, join the movement. Another Audi R8 owner is getting the same custom ski box rack built for their car as well. I also dropped off the rack because next week it's gonna be powder coated satin black, as well as the light bar mount. Another objective, another goal in today's video, I'm going to attempt to wire up the light bar and really see how abundant that illumination is. It could go very well. It also could go very, very bad in the form of death by electrocution. Moving on in the vlog. In today's video, what do you guys think? Should we take the Jeep? Should we take the R8? Or should we take the Lamborghini? Yeah. It's Lambo day. If you guys didn't see the last video, I have some very exciting news for the Audi R8. I've ordered a custom exhaust for the car. It's gonna be here in about 3 or 4 weeks, and goodness gracious, well, it can't come soon enough. Before we jump into the action, I have to thank today's video sponsor, Vikings, War of Clans. I've partnered back up with them again. Guys, go check them out. You guys, if you're like me and you enjoyed the old school strategy games, you're gonna love Vikings. As one of the top 5 games in the charts, forget about made up alliances. Now, it's all about nation versus nation, baby. Vikings allows you to have your own play style. If you're an economist by heart, build a prosperous city. If you enjoy spreading diplomacy, be a clan leader and reign your empire. Or, if you're like me, build an army to trounce your enemies. Once again, Vikings and I are giving away a new iPhone X and a MacBook Pro. Find out how to win your prize using the Instagram link in the description below. There you guys go. Be sure to download Vikings using those links in the description below. Have fun. Cold Startup 2006, Lamborghini Gallardo. Guys, check this out. A chrome blue Audi A4. Should I wrap the Lambo chrome blue? Probably. Probably. Maybe not. We are here at Specialized. You guys know John. If you don't know John, well, he was on a vlog just a few vlogs back. A friend of mine from Seattle, he's interested in one of the Ferrari F430 Spyders that they have here, and he asked if I'd go take a look at it. So obviously I said yes. 4x4 squared. We got Californias. Woohoo! The Aventador. Oh my goodness, I want that car so bad. 675 LT, Gallardo Spider, R8s, 458s. Dude, you guys have so many cars here. Here it is though. This is the F430 Spider. We gonna get a cold start up? Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Ready? Yep. Bear in mind, it is the first week of February, and it's like 65 to 70 degrees here in the state of Utah. Generally speaking, there would be snow as far as the eye can see, but instead, we're gonna go for a quick drive in an open-top Ferrari. A good day, a great day. Yeah, it's a cool color combo. Yeah. I love the sound of like a V10 or V12 Lambo, but there's something about a V8 Ferrari. It just screams. That high-pitched whine is so good with the open-top roadster feeling. We came to Specialized to look at a Ferrari for a friend of mine, and now I want a Ferrari. Always race mode unless you decide to turn everything off, and that's okay as well. Ferrari engine bays, they know how to do it, how to make it look good. Always so cool to see this soft top in action. he's gonna do a cold startup on the Lamborghini Aventador because, well, personally I'm a fanboy of the V12. I quite like it. I quite like it a lot. Oh, I love those headlights. John is a terrible influence on me. He knows I want this car, and yet you guys know, I know, everybody knows, I can't afford it quite yet, but maybe soon. And when I say soon, I mean sometime, a long time from now and forever. Crazy fact about the Lamborghini Aventador. John and I, we know a lot of the supercar owners here in the state of Utah. We can only count 2 other Aventadors other than this one in the entire state. These cars are unicorns out here. I think there was like 918 Spiders delivered to Utah, and we only know of 3 Aventadors in the state of Utah. I want it so bad, so bad. The 430 is sick, but the observant viewer would have noted, check out this Wrangler over here. Whoa, jeez. I may have had a mild heart attack, but we're good, we're great. This is such a cool finish too. I love that. I've been talking a lot about wrapping the Wrangler, but what do you think? Should I rhino line the Wrangler? It has such a cool textured finish to it. I love this slant back too, that's so cool. And this like external roll cage, how it matches the lines. That looks awesome. Right up here on the A-pillar, these switches turn on the light bars.
Pictures of my car!
Check this out. That is so cool. Light bars on light bars on light bars. I would get in so much trouble with that. Big shout out to Specialized for taking me for that quick ride in a Ferrari. Windows rolled down because we are driving by the Ferrari dealership. We're just gotta, you know, suddenly flex, if you will. Ha ha! Hit it!
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
In today's video, I have a very, very special shout out. My man Theo, all the way from Michigan. You're turning 7 on Valentine's Day. I want to give you a massive happy birthday. I know you've been going through a lot lately. Stay strong, keep on fighting. I want to try to make your birthday a little bit more special this year. So Theo, just for you, we are going to print a 1-of-1 special custom Strad shirt. Hopefully it'll make it there by your birthday. I'm going to sign it for you. Custom printing your shirt right now.
Yeah, throw it there.
There it is. Now we're gonna put it through the Eco Text for advanced curing. Only the best, just for you, Theo. Got you a couple other things as well. We have the Lamborghini Gallardo Mini, one of the exclusive Strad hats. This thing is brand new, baby. My man Theo, one last happy birthday. I hope you have an awesome day. Keep on fighting, dude. You're the man. This one is for Theo. I feel like we haven't had a proper food vlog in quite a long time, and I've missed it. I think you guys have missed it. So naturally, it's Friday. We're at Chick-fil-A. Hey! There's a mom in the minivan behind us. We're gonna pay for their meal. Can I pay for the meal of the person behind me too? Yeah. Cool. 2006. Minivan. Hey, Chick-fil-A. If I make this shot, you guys owe me $20. All day, every day, baby. Oh, no, he didn't! Are you kidding me? Portland Trailblazers, Rip City, baby. Give me a call, I can suit up tonight if you need me. So the battery is right here. All the light bar stuff right in here. We have our wiring harness, our switches, and we have our instructions. Now clearly, who needs instructions? Are you kidding? We definitely will need these. I'm gonna read every single line item because although I have a lot of skills, such as, you know, making a sandwich, for example, wiring up stuff, not my strongest trait. So the black wire goes to the ground, the yellow and the white go to positive. Yeah, I know exactly what I'm doing. Well, we have a lot of cabling. Here is the moment of truth. I'm wondering where the fire extinguisher is, but on that bombshell. Oh, yes! Are you kidding me? Yes. We've done it. We have done it. Now, if I'm completely honest, the light bar got a whole lot more hate than I ever expected. I did not expect the amount of hate. I know I'm weird, I'm unconventional, but to me, that is so cool. Okay, so I am being pulled over. How's it going?
Good. So 2 reasons why I pulled you over. 1 reason you're speeding.
Okay.
It's only 60 here.
What was I?
75. Second is your registration's expired. You have your driver's license?
Yes.
You have like insurance, proof of insurance?
I have insurance on my phone.
We'll just stay in the car. We'll be back in a second, okay, man?
Okay. I may or may not have been speeding. I'm not gonna say I'm guilty because you're innocent until proven guilty, but I may have been speeding. I'm not really sure how fast I was going, but hopefully this cop would be cool. We'll see.
Okay, here's your license back.
Thank you.
So, you gotta take care of the registration, man, okay?
I will. No, I'll give him a call first thing in the morning. I'll figure it out for sure.
Awesome, man. And slow down a little bit, okay?
Okay, I will.
And you're weaving in and out, passing people. I know it's a fast car, it's a nice car.
Yeah.
You just gotta slow down a little bit, okay,
will
man?
do. Thank you, appreciate it. Have a good one. All right, we're in business. We're good, we're good. Coolest cop ever. I was definitely speeding, absolutely 100% speeding. I may or may not have been going over 55, but that cop was cool. This evening's food vlog, and we're here at Summit Auto Lab. If you need vinyl protection film tent. What's up? Hey, how's it going? Oh man, Clayton's newest project. You guys know Clayton. If you don't know Clayton, well, he owns Summit Auto Lab. If you need your car wrapped and you live in the state of Utah, he's your guy, he's my guy, he is the best. And he's working on this Volkswagen Passat right now. It's kind of like a matte watermelon red. It looks pretty cool. Before we dig in, this seems like a good opportunity to talk about the police pullover. Yes, I have not registered my car yet. It may have expired, but don't worry, tomorrow, first thing in the morning, well, I might have breakfast first, but after breakfast, I'm gonna call up the state and I'm gonna get that car registered. I apologize if you're upset, trust me, if anyone's upset, I'm upset, so. Dude, there it is. Clayton putting work in. Completely transforms this Passat. So all these chrome bits you see right here, these are gonna be blacked out as well, and that's gonna make a big difference. And then also some window tint, and this thing is gonna look killer. And just like that, today's vlog is effectively over. As always, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.